మిత్రులారా బంధువులారా మిత్రునాం వనక్కం స్వాగతం. This is South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy. This is the part 11 of our Uttaranchal series, Uttarakhand series. Previously we discerned round about 27 or so physiographic regions, physical geographic regions. We are exploring part 11 here, that is the Vishnu Ganga River Valley, Saraswati River Valley. Vishnu Ganga River Valley, Saraswati River Valley is the upstream region of Alaknanda River. After Vishnu Prayag, it is called Alaknanda, and it gathers the streams of Bhagirath. Then the river becomes a giant stream Ganga River from downstream of Deva Prayag onwards. So we are essentially looking at upstream region of Vishnu Ganga River, Saraswati River, the red marking here. Mitronam, previously I have posted in the beginning part 0 Uttaranchal 27 physiographic geographic regions. In that part I have given a bird's eye view of those 27 regions, starting from here, finally 27 Babartarai region. So for a broader outlook, a deeper outlook overview, you can consult that presentation. This is our Uttaranchal series and we are in part 11, Vishnu Ganga Valley or Basin. That's also called Saraswati Valley or Basin. Remember, River Saraswati as a name in many places. We are talking about this particular upstream contributor of essentially Alaknanda River, which is a tributary of Ganga Mata River. Why the physical geography is very important, Mitranam? Here you see this is the political geography or administrative geography of Uttarakhand province, where you can see the districts and jillas, only the lines. You won't get much information about it. If you look at this, you can see the physical geography, physical nature of the land and terrain, the mountains, the rivers, the water bodies, gorges, so on. This will give you a deeper inkling of the society, culture, politics, history. This is the extremely mountainous Himadri region. This is the Himanchal region, not Himachal, Himanchal region. This is the Sivalix region. This is the Babar, Tarai, Gangetic plains, Ganga Maidan. That is the Bangar region and Kadar, so on. You get a very deeper understanding. This is the Corbett Park, Ramaganga, Western Ramganga Reservoir, and so on. You get a, when you look at this, you get a broader idea. So that is essentially, you see, you can see in this South Asia Maps JRD, my YouTube channel, I posted more than 600 or so as of 2024. These are various playlists and varieties of topics, and each contains around about 10 to 20 or so in diverse fields. You can pick and choose and learn from them. That is South Asia Maps JRD. I will go over this area first, and afterwards you will get a, I will take you to the three-dimensional viewpoint of this area, river valley, excuse me, so that you will get a deeper understanding. That will be the most important part of this presentation. And I have made similar presentations. Moreover, most of these 27 regions I have taken from this book, standard book, reference India Regional Geography of R.L. Singh. Also, you can look at it. And I have redrawn the maps and made certain minor adjustments so that that will be clear. So I have also have other series, you can see Bengal Presidency, and also United Provinces, and Madras, Maharashtra series, and Kerala series, Punjab history, geography and history series, and this is the Tamil Nadu series. Again, Tamil Nadu series. You have Punjab, British Punjab, 7 divisions and 36 districts or so. Himachal Pradesh series and Rayalaseema City district of Simandra, Andhra Pradesh series. And Bengal Presidency series, Haryana series, Telangana series, Karnataka series, and East Punjab, Purbi Punjab series, and this is the Paschim Punjab, West Punjab series, and this is the 4 Punjab. There are 4 Punjabs. Paschim Punjab, Purbi Punjab is the Punjabi Punjab, Pahadi Punjab, and Bangar, that is the Haryanvi Punjab. So you can look at them in the appropriate playlist. Excuse me. And this is the standard river map. When you see the Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand, you have to remember eastern side of the province or state bifurcated, demarcated by the Kali River, Mahakali River. Southern part is called Sharada River, the same river, different names. That is the boundary between Mahakali province or state of Nepal and Uttaranchal state of Bharat. Same. Western side, the boundary is not crystal clear, but SLC Tones, Pabar and Yamuna river is the boundary. This is the western side. The two important rivers, whenever you see the map, you have to remember is the Bhagirath river and Alaknanda river. They all join at a place called Deva Prayag. How to remember? A, B, C, D. Alaknanda river, Bhagirathi river, drop C, and D is Deva Prayag. From onwards is the Ganga river, Ganga Mata river. So very easy to remember. So these are the Alaknanda, Bilangna, Yamuna, Tones, Yamuna, Ganga. So these are the standard names. Uttarakhand geography, and I will go over this briefly, that will be helpful, and the real part I will take you to the maps and tell you more. So if you remember, we are looking this particular part 11, right? 12 or 11? Which one? 11, yeah. Where is 11? Yeah, this is the 11, the part 11 here. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi, they are the head streams of at Devaprayag, head streams of Ganga Mata river. We are essentially looking further northern part of Alaknanda river. It is called Saraswati river or Vishnu Prayag river and Arva river. They join to form Alaknanda river at Vishnu Prayag. Boundaries are very here. You will see later. Badrinath region on the west part, Satopanth, and eastern part Kamet mountains, Mana mountains, Niti path, and Josimath town is on the bank of the river, and Badrinath is also on the bank of the river. The Vishnu Ganga River that forms eventually Vishnu Ganga River later becomes, after Dhauli Ganga joins, that is the Paschim Dhauli Ganga, it is called Alaknanda River from Vishnu Prayag of the Pancha Prayags. Landmarks are there is a glaciers, Arva and Bhagirath Glacier, Satopanth Glacier. This is west side of Mana River. That is the most inhabited village of Bharat, that is in the Uttaranchal province. East is the Valley of Flowers, Pulonki Ghat National Park. District is mostly Chamoli district, Josimath Tehsil. So with that, we will look at the first the rivers. That will be the most important part. So how do you again go here? Remember, two most important rivers. This is the Bhagirathi river. Here Bhagirathi, 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 Bhagirathi. It goes to Tehri town at Deva Prayag. It joins Alaknanda river. So this is the Alaknanda. Here, this is the Alaknanda. This part we are looking. This is the Dhauli Ganga. That is Western Dhauli Ganga or Paschim Dhauli Ganga. There is one more Dhauli Ganga here that joins Kali river, Mahakali river, that is the Eastern Dhauli Ganga. We are looking at this part. You remember, see this, the empty area is this is the Badrinath mountains, Kedarinath mountains, Gangotri glacier. Here Kamet mountains, Mana mountains, Niti mountains. So that empty area, you can see clear delimitation. So we are in the Alaknanda River, Dhauli Ganga River, Paschim Dhauli Ganga joins here, the Vishnu Prayag will be here. So this part we see Saraswati River Valley, Alaknanda upper stream. So we have here the river Saraswati here, Arva River joins Saraswati River here, and Alaknanda River gets the waters of Saraswati. Why they called this, named it like this, not that's not that important. So anyway, this is the Alaknanda River that gets the waters of Saraswati, that gets the waters of Arva. Further stream, downstream, Alaknanda River gets waters of Khirao Ganga River. It also gets waters of Khag Bushandi Nadi. The somewhere here, the Joshimath Badrinath will be somewhere here, because these are the Badrinath mountains here. And the Vishnu Prayag will here, Dhauli Ganga, the Paschim Dhauli Ganga. And what are the upstream water streams of Dhauli Ganga Paschim? We will see the later. Then the Alaknanda River continues. We'll talk about when we talk about Alaknanda River. So that is the important part. So you can very clearly see, even looking at the population density maps. Remember, this is the Bhagirathi River, you see. This is the Bhagirathi, this is the Uttarkasi, and I think this is the Srinagar town, not the Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. And here you can see this is the part we are talking about. This is the Dhauli Ganga region. This is the Kamet Mountains, Mana Mountains, so entire mountains, there are no population in it. I think this is the Badrinath, this is the Joshimath towns, this is the Arva River. I think this is the Saraswati, and I think this may be Alaknanda, like that. This is the Vishnu Prayag. So it continues Barahi River and Mandakini and Pindar and all those areas. Here, this is the southern part. This is the Udham Singh Nagar Tharai region, Haridwar. This is the Dehradun town, and so on. This is the Srinagar region. This is the Lansdowne, and this is the Kodwar and Lansdowne regions, and so on. So, by looking just at that, this is the Mandakini River. This will be the Rudraprayag. You can see very interestingly that, and we have seen that. The same thing we are looking at a different perspective. Always remember two rivers. This is the Alaknanda River. This is the Bhagirathi River. Alaknanda River here, we are this Saraswati upstream part, Arva Saraswati. This is the Paschim Dhauli Ganga. This is the Prayag here, Vishnu Prayag. This part we are looking, this is the Badrinath mountains, because Badrinath temple town is here. Kedarinath mountains, Badrinath mountains. This is the KMT, that is the Kamet, Mana and N, Nithi mountain ranges. So we looked at that, and this gives a different perspective. Again, the two rivers, right? This is the Bhagirathi River, the western part. So this should be the Prayag, that is the Deva Prayag, ABCD. This is the Alaknanda. This is the Mandakini River. Alaknanda here. Remember, this is the Alaknanda. This U-shaped or V-shaped, this is the Dhauli Ganga, western part. Western Dhauli Ganga. This is the Alaknanda Saraswati. That is the part we are looking up today. Here, this is the part. So, if you remember this, and this is the Kamet and Mana and Niti mountains, Niti Pass, Mana Pass here, then you will be in the right track. You have to remember this, Dhauli Ganga and upstream of Alaknanda, Bhagirathi. The same thing you can see. Again, remember this, the Badrinath, Kedarinath, Gangotri. That means this is the part we are looking. This is the Dhauli Ganga. That means this is the Kamet, Mana and Niti mountains. This part, this part. So how do you discern here? Always you have to find the landmarks. So this is the Yamuna River, Ganga River, Dehradun Valley, and I will enlarge a little bit. So this is the, you say V-shaped, that means this is the Saraswati, Aura, Vishnu Ganga, upstream of Alaknanda. This is the Dhauli, western Dhauli Ganga River. This is the Mana and Mana mountains, Niti mountains, Badrinath, and this is the river. You can see until this part. You get here Vishnu Prayag. The river continue. This should be here. This is the Mandakini. That means the Rudra Prayag will be here. So this is the Deva Prayag. Then goes through the Himachal region, not Himachal Pradesh. Himachal, that is the middle Himalayan regions, cuts through the Missouri ranges here, becomes the Ganga River here, near Hardwar Rishikesh regions. Because now the railway, the road and railways are built, and it's very easy to remember. You have Hardwar Rishikesh here, Deva Prayag, means this is the Bhagirath River. Then the Rudra Prayag, that means this is the Mandakini River. So Karna Prayag means Pindar River. Then the Gopeshwar Chamoli, then the Joshimath. Yeah. That means this is the actual Badrinath temple, Badrinath mountains, Kedarnath mountains. This is the Mana and Niti. So this is the Dhauli, Paschim Dhauli Ganga. So you can very easily remember the V-shaped mark there. Essentially, we are looking at the same. You look the V-shaped mark, Joshimath town, Badrinath town, and Badrinath mountain ranges. This is the part we look at now. So essentially, that's what you can look at the fascinating Vishnu Ganga River Valley Basin, Saraswati River Valley Basin, Arva River Valley Basin, that is the upstream of Vishnu Prayag Alaknanda River Valley Basin, which is a tributary of Ganga Mata, sacred Ganga River. Hope these things will help you to articulate yourself about this region. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. If you like the presentations, you can post your comments, suggestions, criticisms, as well as you can subscribe the channel. Also, you can bring it to the notice of your friends. See you later, Mitronam, in other presentation, that is the West Dhauli Ganga Valley. This is the Dhauli Ganga Valley. We'll look at basin next time. Thank you very much. See you.